Imagine this: Rohit Sharma in a nail biting cricket match smashes 4 boundaries in a row. What's your intuition for the next ball? Most of us think another boundary is coming. But hold on, some of us might say, another boundary? That's really unlikely now. Confused? Don't worry, we are diving into two sneaky mental traps: the hot hand fallacy and the gambler's fallacy. We will uncover the maths behind them and how they fool us in cricket, casinos, and beyond. Let's start with hot hand fallacy. This happens when you think someone's past success make them more likely to succeed again. Like assuming the batsman who hit 4 boundaries will automatically hit another. But statistically, success on previous balls doesn't guarantee future success. If we assume the batsman has a 10% chance of hitting a boundary on any ball, that probability remains the same on the next ball, even after hitting 4 boundaries in a row. Each ball is an independent event, unaffected by past outcomes. Of course, real life isn't always that simple. A batsman might indeed feel more confident after hitting a few boundaries, and the bowler might lose their rhythm. The hot hand fallacy can distort judgment. In sports, coaches might keep a player in the game longer, assuming their streak will continue. In politics, candidates may ride momentum, but momentum isn't always predictive of future wins. Part 2: The Gambler's Fallacy. The universe owes me. Now let's flip it. Enter the gambler's fallacy. Some of us think next ball cannot be a boundary, since he already had 4 boundaries. If batsman has 10% probability of hitting boundary on every ball, it does not vanish even if Rohit has hit 4 boundaries in a row. There is still 10% chance of another boundary on next ball. A gambler on a losing streak might think, my luck is about to change. Or often seeing 5 red on a row on a roulette wheel, people start betting heavily on black. But each spin is independent. The wheel doesn't know the past outcomes. Some of the famous examples of gambler's fallacy: the Monte Carlo roulette disaster, 1913. In a casino in Monte Carlo, the roulette wheel landed on black 26 times in a row. People bet millions on red, thinking it was overdue. The result? They lost fortunes, because the wheel had no memory of previous spins. The housing market crash, 2008. Many people believed that housing prices, after years of rising, couldn't possibly fall. This belief fueled risky investments, leading to one of the worst financial crises in history. So why do our brain fall for these traps? The human brain is wired to detect patterns. It's a survival instinct. Recognizing patterns helped our ancestors find food, avoid predators, and plan for success. They are wired to believe in streaks and due outcomes. That's why understanding the hot hand and gambler's fallacy can save us from poor decisions. Whether we are betting on cricket, investing in stocks, or just playing a game of roulette. Next time your friend says Rohit is on fire, he is bound to hit another boundary, or he can't possibly hit another one, hit them with the math. Smash that like button if you love math, cricket, or proving your friends wrong. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun math power insights into sports, business, and life. Next up, how regression to the mean explains success and failure in sports. See you there.